So 9 days after his fact-check mission to Adampur Air Base in Punjab, today Prime Minister, in fact in a short while from now, will be landing in Rajasthan's Null Air Base. This is the first visit to the state since Operation Sindoor and just comes a month after the deadly Pahalgam terror attack. Right from Bikaner, the message is loud and clear: Vikas, valor and victory. Even as India pushes its defense and development narrative, all eyes are now on Prime Minister's Rajasthan outreach. Bikaner especially is a strategic border district about 150 kilometers from the international border with Pakistan. And the Prime Minister will also be flagging off new train between Mumbai and Bikaner from the Deshnok railway station, and also will be inaugurating 103 redeveloped railway stations across India. So this move is being seen as a strategic outreach amid the India-Pakistan military standoff, signaling a blend of national security focus and infrastructure push as well. In case of escalation, as far as border areas are seen, Bikaner serves as a critical defense zone. Let's get in a word from Sabya Sachi. As Sabya, good morning. We are waiting for the Prime Minister to arrive. Of course, we are looking at those pictures there where it becomes strategically important as the leader of the nation. He is putting out that message as far as a month post Pahalgam terror attack. What is India's position against Pakistan, in particular against terrorism?
Well, that's right. It's a big message coming in from Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and this would be his first visit in the border region of Rajasthan in Bikaner after the success of Pahalgam, after the success of Operation Sindoor. Now, Prime Minister Narendra Modi at around 9:30 will be landing at the Nal Air Base, and from there he would be heading towards the Karni Mata Temple. See, for our viewers, Karni Mata Temple is a very iconic temple here in Bikaner, where thousands of devotees from different parts of the country visit the Karni Mata temple every single year. And after visiting that, he would be heading towards the Deshnok railway station. Now, it is a completely redeveloped Deshnok railway station, and Prime Minister Narendra Modi will be inaugurating the Deshnok railway station and other 103 railway stations across the country in 18 states and union territories in 86 districts across the country. Now, a special message in the Deshnok railway station has also been given out to the entire country, and this would be the first time that inside the railway station there is a photo gallery which is solely dedicated to our armed forces, which stand out of the armed forces personnel who have dedicated their lives towards serving the nation, who has fought in different battles versus Pakistan in 1971, in 1965, yes, or in Kargil war. Their pictures has been put out for the passenger.
We are standing by for the first pictures of the Prime Minister to come in a short while from now. We also have Srinjoy connected with us. Srinjoy, good morning. As we speak of the importance there, because located in Rajasthan's Bikaner district, the Null Air Force Station serves as a key outpost when it comes to defending India's western region. How important and significant is today's visit of the Prime Minister?
This is very significant because Null, along with Nalia and Uttalai and Jodhpur, are very important air bases. And naturally, they are very close to the border, very close to the India-Pakistan border. They have a large number of IAF squadrons there, and they are really the first line of defense because all these airfields are close, and these were created during days when there were no missiles with a range of 30-40 kilometers. So you needed an airfield very close. And Null, Nadia, Uttalai, Jodhpur, they are all close to the border. And as a result, they are really the first line of defense. Prime Minister, when he goes there, naturally will meet the officers and men of the Indian Air Force who have done a very remarkably good job during Operation Sindoor. They made it clear that they were the masters of the air. They destroyed many runways, many other facilities on the other side. And it was a lesson which forced the Pakistani military to ask for peace.
Absolutely. And this is a direct message that is going across from Prime Minister Narendra Modi post-Operation Sindoor, because what you see are the pictures there of his interaction with the personnel at the Indian Air Force base in Adampur in Punjab. This was something that Pakistan was caught red-handed in an embarrassed position about attacking the Adampur air base. But this was nothing like, according to that fake satellite imagery that it had shared with the people of Pakistan. Of course, it was caught on the back foot. But even if we speak of this particular air base, we also are looking at the development push, Sabyasachi. Along when we speak of these key defense zone, Bikaner visit of the Prime Minister is also about connectivity and development.
Well, that's right. See, Prime Minister Narendra Modi is going to launch and lay foundation of projects worth of 26,000 crores. And if you talk about Bikaner in Deshnok railway station itself, which is very close to the Nal Air Base, now there would be a direct train that would connect Bikaner to Mumbai, and that train will be flagged off by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and several other rail infrastructure would be announced by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and also the push for the road connectivity here from Bikaner, also from different parts of the country. That foundation also would be laid by Prime Minister Narendra Modi, and several projects regarding solar as well as renewable energy will be launched by Prime Minister Narendra Modi. So definitely it's a big push for the people of Rajasthan, for the border state of Rajasthan, as well as the people of Rajasthan. And yesterday itself, the Chief Minister of Rajasthan, Bhajanlal Sharma, was here at the spot alongside Railway Minister Ashwini Vaishnav and Union Minister Arjun Ram Meghwal, and all of these leaders will be accompanied by Prime Minister Narendra Modi when they will be laying foundation of over 26,000 crores and a big push for the state of Rajasthan.
Absolutely. As far as when it comes to this air base that also serves as an airport, Srinjoy, the strategic importance, of course, when it comes to its location is also concerned, apart from the other border areas as well. That includes when it comes to our western region, along with Sri Ganganagar and Barmer. How important is Bikaner forming the key defense zone?
Yes, of course. See, Rajasthan and Gujarat are the areas which were targeted this time. Let's not forget that Pakistani attacks came not only in Jammu and Kashmir and the Punjab, but also Rajasthan and Gujarat. So that entire western stretch has to be strengthened. It has to be kept in mind that the enemy can strike at any time. You saw what happened during those early days of Operation Sindoor. There were attacks from the Pakistani side, which had to be fought, and India had to fight back, which India did, of course. So naturally, Rajasthan, Gujarat, these are areas right on the border. Naturally, there are air bases there. As I mentioned, Uttalai is there, Nalia is there, Nal is there, Jodhpur is there, even Jaipur. All these air bases are particularly critical. There are radars there, there are air defense systems there, there are fighter aircraft there. Everything is there. Of course, Prime Minister, when he goes, he will meet officers and men of the Indian Air Force.
Yes.
And you would expect the Air Chief Marshal A.P. Singh to be there.
Well, boosting the morale of our Jawans and soldiers, and of course, talking about the success of Operation Sindoor seems to be the key message that the Prime Minister would be giving across to our Jawans there. Lakhbir bhi hamare saath jud gaye hain. Lakhbir, hum intezar kar rahe hain. As far as we are waiting for the first pictures to come in of the Prime Minister there. But taking that question to Sabyasachi, as far as visiting the Karni Mata Mandir as well. Now, during when it comes to the conflict that was also underway, we also speak of several temples and deities that have also held a lot of importance that the locals hold, saying that it is because of these deities that the area is protected and there would not be any destruction there. And that seems to be an example. And the kind of faith that we have seen the locals having, the deities that they follow that continue to protect them from the war zones there. Sabya and Srinjoy, we'll just come back to you in just a bit as we are awaiting when it comes to the Prime Minister's pictures that will be coming in from Rajasthan's Bikaner.